i7 is an impressive notebook in many ways considering the asking price and the hardware inside, but it has flaws, and being shipped from China, with the likely import charges involved therein, is another downside. It uses metal for the chassis, something which helps, to a certain extent, with heat dissipation. A 15.6-inch display means that there's plenty of space for extra ports. You get a headphone jack, an SD card slot, HDMI, 4 USB ports and a Type-C port plus a proprietary power connector, and there's even a numeric keypad, great for spreadsheet aficionados. As expected, this laptop is heavy, 1.9 kilograms, and rather big, 375 by 245 by 18 millimeters. The Voyo i7 is a puzzling laptop when it comes to hardware choices. It has a dedicated graphics card, the NVIDIA 940MX, but it uses DDR3 memory rather than the far faster GDDR5 flavor. Overall, this is a likable laptop, solidly built, with a great keyboard, a decent numeric keypad and a touchpad that does the job pretty well. The keyboard is backlit and the keys have generous amounts of feedback and spring. The screen, despite being a TN panel, is fine for everyday use.